That was Maxwell Agbaba's report on remembering former President Jerry John Rawlings. Now, away from that, JoyNews checks in the Upper West Regional Capital reveal commercial transport drivers, hawkers, tricycle operators are not adhering to the safety protocols for COVID-19 disease despite the increasing number of positive cases. There's only one Veronica bucket with no soap attached to it at the lorry station, and very few people are wearing the nose mask. Correspondent Rafiq Salam reports.
This is what I observed after spending a couple of hours at the central business district of the one municipality, an impoverished and badly overcrowded market and lorry station located at the heart of the town. President Akufo-Addo gave a fiat asking citizens of the country to adhere to safety health protocols in order to help contain spreading figures of new cases of the deadly COVID-19 disease. After 2 hours of my interaction with passengers, hawkers, retailers, tricycle operators, commercial bus drivers, there have not been any scintilla of sign showing that they are ready to adhere to these safety health protocols. It's chaotic and nothing seems to working regarding the social distancing rules and the wearing of face masks right here in this market. The people are disregarding them with laconic bravery. Whereas more, some ignorantly and arrogantly poo-poo the existence of a disease that has claimed the lives of 4 persons, infected 161 persons, with 38 of them being active and 1 in critical condition in the region. You know it's against the law for you to be in a public place without wearing nose mask.
No, that's Corona is not there in Ghana.
It's against the law to be in a public place not wearing nose mask.
No, the people wear nose mask. They know the Corona. We don't know the Corona. What is the meaning of Corona? We people know.
What disease are you referring to? When one gets small fever, you call it Corona. Okay. Tendana Federal Port effusions with this tricky explanation of why they are unmasked. My work is to start to call people to join the buses. How do I do it when I'm wearing nose masks? Even the people who are expected to enforce the laws here are the very people flouting them with impunity. Mohamed Saka works here as a guard for the Ghana Private Road Transport Union, GPRTU. Why are you not wearing nose mask? Somebody who's supposed to put law and order here.
That's what I'm saying. I was having one, but it's dirty. I didn't wash it. I wanted to come and buy one again.
And here's a market, you can buy one, but you're not wearing.
I am going to buy one straight away.
Now that you are the one who's supposed to be the law enforcer here and you are not wearing, what do you want others to do?
Okay. I didn't try. So next I'll always try to cooperate.
With impunity. Mohamed Saka works here as a guard for the Ghana Private Road Transport Union, GPRTU. Throughout our rounds at the lorry park, we spotted only 1 Veronica bucket kept for washing of hands, probably for the entire lorry station, which is about the size of 3 football fields. I bumped into these 2 young men riding a motorbike, and they gave their names as Isifo Kwerihi and Kendepa. Though they have nose masks, they kept them beneath the seat of their motorbike. So when are you going to wear it?
No, open my motor and wear it now.
Okay, open it and wear it now. Senior Industrial Relations Officer of the Upper West Branch of the GPRTU, Alayunu Mahama, expressed worry over the non-compliance of drivers and passengers to safety health protocols, warning that they will soon come up with punitive measures for persons who flout the rules.
They need sensitization. So that is what we are prepared to do. And even as I'm talking now, we are calling an emergency meeting to get all the drivers informed that any driver who failed within the region to wear nose mask before embarking on any trip, we are going to set up a regional task force to monitor them. If we get any driver, we will sanction him.
The Upper West Police Command says they are also busy to ensuring that the present directive works. However, they haven't been successful to a large extent because they have been outsmarted by the people.
Men are in town, but they are patrolling.
So they have patrolled, they haven't made an arrest?
No, not arrest yet. But I will say that, you see, one modus that the people are using is that you see police, the moment they see the police, they have to remove the nose mask quickly and where, either from their pockets or from their handbags. So we are saying that if heaven doesn't be on your this side, before that day you forget and police arrest you, make sure that you be prosecuted. Otherwise, you pay the fine as I mentioned, 6,000.
So you think that the people are playing hide and seek with the police?
Exactly, but they can run, but they can't hide. We will make sure that he who will be arrested will be prosecuted.
Acting Upper West Region's Deputy Director of Health Services in charge of public health, Dr. Richard Wudasemi, conceded that despite the deadly nature of the disease, there are several people who still doesn't believe the disease exists. He said the best approach to changing that perception is through education and sensitization.
Everybody must make it a point to preach about the preventive measures to whoever they come into contact with. If we make it a habit that for every day we will convert one person, you can imagine the rippling effect of that exercise. So let us all go out and make sure that you preach to somebody who also preach to another person. Let's spread the information.
The rules and regulations are strict and clear. It is an offense to refuse to wear a face mask in public. The punishment is a fine of 6,000 to 12,000 Ghana cedis. Failure to pay the fine, the person is liable for imprisonment of 5 to 10 years. However, the people are not taking it seriously because all habits die hard. Reporting for JoyNews, Rafik Salam. Wow.